G'day y'all and welcome back to the Techness Corner. So you're here for the K552 KUMARA redragon mechanical gaming keyboard. Well, here it is, unboxed in all its glory and modded. So if you want to see the full process, up there and up there, come watch the whole video at the Techness Corner, where you can get a full comprehensive unboxing overview of this gaming mechanical keyboard, as well as the modding process I went through. First time modder, so don't judge too harshly, but come enjoy the video guys and understand what you're getting into regarding the most popular gaming keyboard that's been sold so far on Amazon. This is the red variant, comes in RGB as well, so let's go. Peace out y'all.